So today we're going to be changing the inner and outer tie rod on this LS400. Now what I've been finding, and to be honest it's easy to show with the wheel on because there's obviously more leverage, is that when I move this hub there is some play on this. Now, so as you can see then, this actually spins quite easy. One split pin. What we want to do before we take this off here, I'm just going to loosen the locking nut off here. I'm going to give it a bit of a spray up. It looks like it's not been off in a while. I don't think you should be doing that. Surprisingly came off. Now we've got this loose, we want to count the amount full turns to take it off. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You feel that there's a bit of play in that. This then is also a little bit loosey-goosey. Grab that. I'm going to take. So I'm going to take this nut off as well. Now this one looks like it's got like a bolt through it. You can pop that off. And now you want to drag this boot off really. So just going to loosen the cool. So there's the boot. Inner tie rod. So there is a locking, you can sort of see it here. There's a locking washer which we need to knock back. So we now have the new tie rod, which has, it's stiff, I can't move it in and out, so it's good quality. And you have this locking washer which has two sort of tabs on it, and those tabs sit into these notches. So that sits on there like that. Hold the tabs in place. Get this one on. And we'll get our just bolt on. Get it in there nice and tight. And then we just need to knock these tabs back this way. Push the boot back on. Now I can either, lost the screw, can either reuse this little contraption or just use a cable tie, which is probably what I'm going to do. On there. That's not going anywhere now. And that is a lot more solid than this one. See, I can barely move this one, and I can just, this one flip. So if we count from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I'll lock that in place using the 22. See, this one's actually quite loose as well, actually, but trying to get it back in the hole. Now I just need to put the caliper back on, put the wheel back on, and make sure it sort of looks semi-straight, and then we need to get off to a wheel alignment really. So there we have it, another bit of maintenance done on the LS, trying to get this where I want it to be really. I'll post both part numbers in the description. They're both like blueprint parts, they're not genuine. The genuines are quite cheap from Japan, but obscenely expensive in the UK, so I didn't want to wait that long to get them imported. So yeah, I'll post the links in the description for both parts. And yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe and follow the playlist to see all the updates coming on this car. See you next one.